Hello, dear learners. Welcome you all again our YouTube channel SRIP EduForm. In today's video, we will discussing about morphological classification of bacteria. After completion of this video, learners will be able to understand the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Second, describe the structures of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell in detail. Third, to understand the introduction of bacteria. Fourth and last, describe morphological classification of bacteria with the suitable example. Friends, as you know that difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell are very basic topic, but some learners are very confused about both cell. So today video I will try to teach a proper way to solve your problem. So now I will discuss what is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotics, it combined with two words, pro and other is karyote. Pro means before, karyon means nucleus. Okay? And eukaryotics, eu means true, karyote means nucleus. Okay? Based on these words, we can differentiate prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. First, most of the prokaryotics are unicellular. Unicellular means single cell पाई जाती है किसमें, prokaryotic cell में. But in eukaryotic cell, they may be unicellular or multicellular. Okay? Prokaryotic cells, the nucleus is poorly defined due to the absence of nuclear membrane. But in eukaryotic cell, nucleus is well defined due to the surrounded by nuclear membrane. In prokaryotic cell, nucleus is absent. But in eukaryotic cell, nucleus is present. Prokaryotic cell organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi bodies, etc. is absent. But in eukaryotic cell, mitochondria, Golgi body, etc. is present. Bacteria and blue-green algae are prokaryotic, but fungi, plant, animal cells are eukaryotic. Okay? This is the structure of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. जैसा मैंने प्रीवियस स्लाइड में डिफरेंस बताया, उसमें हम एक पॉइंट और ऐड कर सकते हैं. You can see diagrammatic diagram. Eukaryotic cell is larger than prokaryotic cells. Means we can say prokaryotic cell is small in size and eukaryotic cell is larger in size compared to prokaryotic cells. And there is so many difference in this diagram. There are many differences discussed in previous slide. So now I am going to discuss what is bacteria. Bacteria are prokaryotic microorganisms that do not contain chlorophyll. Means बैक्टीरिया क्या होते हैं? प्रोकैरियोटिक माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं जिसके अंदर क्लोरोफिल नहीं पाया जाता. मीन्स इट इज यूनिसेलुलर, फ्री लिविंग, माइक्रोस्कोपिक microorganism capable of performing all the essential function of life. They possess both DNA and RNA. DNA means ribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. Okay, they occur in water, soil, air, food and all the natural environment. Morphological classification of bacteria. Morphology means proper study of external characters of bacteria, not internal characters. Or it is the branch of microbiology that can deals with the form and structure of animals and plants. Morphology of bacteria includes the size of bacteria, shape of bacteria and arrangement of bacteria. I will discuss in next slide one by one in detail. Size of bacteria. What is the size? Size. Bacteria are the very smallest unicellular organism about 0.2 to 1.5 micrometer in diameter and from 2 to 8 micrometer in length. So we can say bacteria are very small microorganisms which are visible under the microscope. They are having the size range in microns. An electron microscope is used for clear visualization of internal structures of bacteria. Shape of bacteria. Generally, shape of bacteria cell depends on the rigidity of the cell wall. They are the three bacterial shape of bacteria. First, cocci. Cocci. The shape of cell appear spherical or ball shape. It is also called the spherical shape of bacteria. This is the diagram presentation of cocci. Okay. Second, cylindrical or rod shaped. It is derived from Latin word bacillus, meaning stick. They are rod, cylindrical, stick-shaped cells. It is also called the bacilli. This is the diagram of rod-shaped bacteria. Okay. Next, spherical shape. Spherical bacteria have one or more twists along the axis. They never straight. You can see this is the diagram of spiral shape of bacteria. They are never found in straight form. Okay. Now I will discuss arrangement of the bacteria. On the basis of arrangement of the cell is observed in cocci and cylindrical shape of bacteria. Now I will discuss arrangement of the cocci cell. First, micrococci. Micro means single, means we can say cocci that occurs singly. आप डायग्राम में देख सकते हैं सिंगल कोकाई प्रेजेंट है यहाँ पर, मीन्स इट इज कॉल्ड द माइक्रोकोकाई. डिप्लोकोकाई मीन्स डिप्लो मीन्स पेयर, मीन्स कोकाई दैट अक्कर्स इन पेयर. आप देख सकते हैं क्या है, पेयर में कोकाई पाए जा रहे हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड द डिप्लोकोकाई. Next, streptococci. Strepto means chain, means cocci that occurs in chain. जब कोकाई क्या पाए जाते हैं, चेन फॉर्म में पाए जाए, मीन्स आप ये डायग्राम में देख सकते हैं चेन फॉर्म में, इट इज कॉल्ड द स्ट्रेप्टोकोकाई. टेट्रास, टेट्रास मीन्स, टेट्रा मीन्स 4, कोकाई दैट अकर्स इन ग्रुप ऑफ 4, हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड द टेट्रास. आप देख सकते हैं डायग्राम में 4, 1 2 3 4. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज स्टेफाइलोकोकाई. स्टेफाइलोकोकाई, फाइलो मीन्स बंच, मीन्स कोकाई दैट अकर्स इन बंचेस. जब कोकाई एक बंचेस फॉर्म में पाए जाते हैं, मीन्स आप डायग्राम में देख सकते हैं. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट इज अरेंजमेंट ऑफ सिलिंड्रिकल सेल. बेसिलस सेल show very less variety in arrangement of the cell. First, microbacilli. Microbacilli means, micro means single, means bacilli that occurs singly. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं डायग्राम में single. Okay. Next is diplobacilli, bacilli that occurs in pairs. You can see this is the diagram of diplobacillus. Streptobacilli, here also bacilli that occurs in chain. This is the diagram of streptobacilli. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe the channel SRIP Eduform. Thank you so much again.